Ka St. Anthony's College hag artarik unaylor kalapelong ya ka convocation ni kajimpun ko burom banlekmen na kabenta kajing job hakapuli puthi. Kani kasngi kalong kasngi bansa jingkan mau haga history jong ka college na marbakidan hadu shis pa sapu sangut ki rank holders bat sangut ki PhD. Lasdang ya kajingalang da kajingay patba kabaladon lang ukong san kinong hikay kinong job hakikerdan baper bat ki doctorate. Lanang punpo ya kajingalang da kajing sawa ka bom ka ongrima ki garu pakasyat wat ki kasi ka bapen ya kajingaday jo ka dustur bat kajing puli ka bapatay ya ka college. Uba Paul Menteri Katanat Arts and Culture, Social Welfare but Tourism, ubalong ru samla puli barim jo ka English Department Class of 1993 ulalong ukong san. Ha kajing keren ula penken mawi ki por puli jong u. Bat ula kentui ki samla ki bala pendap ya kajing puli ban ra syakmat ki jinglong ba koridor jo ka jinglong baret minsim kajing sngoret ba kajing kwatem. Ha kajing itho kerpang u Muhammad Razul Islam na ka political science ula syapun ke burom kum student of the year. Ha kadikas ngi la pelaj pat ba ru ya ka goodness award ka ba kamat pedeng kalong where values meet leadership ka bala thau da ka Department of Value Education. Kajing pun ko buram ke baning kong la Aisha Elizabeth Hazel Lendem na kabenta ka jinglong jam note jing 8 parlok ka jingalam ka bapanyas no lang ya baro kum ka student coordinator. Kani ka pen scam ya ka jinget jong ka college baka puli ka dayban pelong beriu bat pelong start lang. La pelaj ru ya ki artali ki kot bapaw nam jong ka school ba ka magazine ba kerteng ka music bat ka newsletter ka The Antonian Chronicles. Ki department ki ba job but one syakmat hak result jong ka nehu ki kentop ya ka commerce, economics, education, mass communication, but ka video production and media technologies, fishery science, chemistry, geology, but statistics. Ki balayodan lang ha ka nikasngi kilong ka Dr. Sarah Karbuli, Head Department of Fishery Sciences, but u Dr. Amanwar rang ba shnong jong ka Lower Lajumer.
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
And I'm sure you will add further value as you leave this shrine of learning. Back in the 1990s, when I was a student here, I did have a few of the advantages that I would have loved to have. One is the Department of Music, and two, we didn't have members of the other gender. But I think it did help in that I was not distracted, kept my focus on, and made sure that I journeyed from St. Anthony's College to Nehru. The Department of English at that point of time was rated as one of the top 10 in the country, and eventually from the university to then work to the secretariat in 2003. St. Anthony's is not just a name for me. My father also happens to have that name, Anthony. Of course, he was not a saint, but he did live up to my expectation as the son. And I fondly remember him leading the audit team from his department, the Department of Local Accounts and Audit, and he was in Anthony's College for several years doing the auditing of the college. It is with immense pride that I'd like to share a few thoughts with you. I will not bore you with a long speech. First, let me thank you for the grand and profuse words of welcome. In a career that gives me more brickbats, it's calming to receive bouquets once in a while. And as a musician, I used to say, when people ask me why are you so passionate about music, I said, in my office hours, I face the music. And after office hours, I create music. That's why music is so intrinsic to me. When there was a group of boys who on graduation day were bantering among themselves, a couple of them said, you know, I've come up this far in life, but I still wonder why my father can be very naive, very foolish, and he can be very embarrassing at times. They had this conversation, and 4 years later, when they completed their post-graduation, the two friends again met. And the one who was most vocal said, I know something happened to my father. In the past 4 years till today, he has become much wiser. So today is a memorable occasion for St. Anthony's College, and I know for a fact that since you have various clubs, you have over roughly 30 clubs specializing in different fields like dance and drama, and also the fact that you have now more departments which are career-oriented. Quite a few of you will make it to the top in various fields. But I would like to implore, I would like to make it a point that whatever you choose to do in life, keep the motto of St. Anthony's College alive in your hearts. And make sure that you continue to add vitality and vigor to Meghalaya, one of the youngest states in the country, with a potential that only today we have realized and are trying our optimum best to unleash that potential. It's not very easy for a remote village during the pre-colonial days to come to be now regarded as the most sought tourist destination in India.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.